If you're eyeing the Geekom A9 Max, a mini PC promising desktop-class AI power and gaming prowess at a sleek size, you've landed exactly where you need to be. But here's what surprised me. It's not just a mini powerhouse. It comes with some quirks that might make you think twice before buying. Most reviews paint it as a dream machine for creators, gamers, and developers. But I'm here to peel back the layers and reveal some hard truths you won't find in the glossy marketing. Let's start with why the Geekom A9 Max looks so tempting. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 HX 370, a 12-core, 24-thread Zen 5 beast with up to 80 TOPS AI performance, it boasts blazing speeds for AI-assisted coding, video editing, 3D rendering, and AAA gaming. Its Radeon 890M graphics, with 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units, promises smooth gameplay on titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Forza Horizon 5. Plus, it supports up to 4 8K displays and top-tier connectivity with Wi-Fi 7, dual 2.5 GB LAN ports, and more. Sounds amazing, right? But hold on, there's more under the hood that you need to know. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick question for you. Are you a gamer or creator who wants to pack a powerful PC into the smallest desk space, or an enterprise developer needing massive memory expansion? Because how well the A9 Max fits either role might surprise you, and not always in a good way. Stick around to find out where this mini PC shines and where it stumbles. First off, the build quality is undeniably impressive. The all-metal chassis not only looks premium, but helps with thermal efficiency alongside the Ice Blast 2.0 cooling system, featuring copper heat sinks and dual heat pipes. In my tests, it stayed cool under heavy loads, a lifesaver if you're rendering 4K video in Adobe Premiere Pro or crunching AI models locally. Still, there's a catch. The fan noise tends to ramp up noticeably during peak AI calculations or sustained gaming sessions. It isn't silent by any means, which can be distracting if you're recording a podcast or streaming. Speaking of streaming, the Radeon 890M graphics do deliver decent performance for AAA gaming titles, hitting playable frame rates in Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty on medium settings. But if you're dreaming of ultra settings at 4K smoothness, you might feel a bitter letdown. It's a solid step above integrated graphics, but still not quite a desktop GPU replacement. So gamers looking to max out settings will need to temper expectations or consider an external GPU setup, which the mini form factor complicates. Here's a twist. The A9 Max truly shines in multitasking and productivity. Thanks to support for up to 128 GB DDR5 RAM and dual PCIe Gen 4 SSD slots, it's a developer and data scientist's dream workstation. Imagine compiling code, running virtual machines, and analyzing large datasets all without a hitch. However, the base price of around $1,259.10 gets you a good setup, but not those maxed-out specs. Investing in full RAM and storage capacity drives the price significantly upward, making it more of an investment than an impulse buy. Let's talk software and compatibility issues, the elephant in the room. The unit comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, fully compatible with major AI platforms like Microsoft Copilot+, ChatGPT, and Stable Diffusion. While that's a win, some users reported driver glitches and occasional instability with third-party AI applications during heavy workloads. This isn't deal-breaking but could frustrate less tech-savvy users who aren't comfortable troubleshooting. Here's a joke for you. Why don't programmers like to go outside? Too many bugs, and sometimes they sneak into even the sleekest mini PCs. Connectivity is a strong suit. Dual USB 4 and HDMI 2.1 ports make hooking up multiple 8K displays a breeze. Dual 2.5 GB LAN ports and Wi-Fi 7 ensure future-proof speeds for network-intensive tasks. But here's a question. Do you really need 4 8K displays? For most users, this is overkill. It's like buying a race car to drive to the grocery store. But if you're a financial trader or content creator working on complex visual projects, this kind of power can be a game changer. Now onto the elephant-sized problem, customer support and warranty. Geekom offers a solid 3-year limited warranty, which is rare and valuable in this segment. Their support team reportedly responds promptly, which is great peace of mind. However, some customers have noted slow shipment times and occasional mishaps with international orders. Again, nothing mission critical, but it's a reminder that the mini PC niche still has a few bumps in the road. Here's another quick laugh. Why did the computer visit the doctor? It caught a virus. Hopefully, your Geekom A9 Max won't get sick, but this does remind us to keep software updated and stay on top of patches. So who exactly is the Geekom A9 Max for? If you're a creative professional needing a compact but powerful PC for 4K video editing, photo retouching, or 3D rendering without sacrificing desk space, it's right up your alley. It's also perfect for developers and data scientists who want workstation-grade specs in a mini form factor, allowing up to 128 GB RAM and multiple SSDs. Streamers and gamers get a decent balance, but should temper expectations on silent operation and ultra-high graphics settings. However, if you're a power gamer chasing the absolute highest frame rates or looking for a fan-silent system, then you might want to pause. Or if you're on a tight budget expecting plug-and-play flawless AI workflows with zero glitches, the A9 Max will require patience and some tech-savvy troubleshooting. Now, let's talk value. This mini PC retails for roughly $1,259.10, which is a serious price for its size but competitive compared to desktop towers, packing similar Ryzen 9 processors and discrete GPUs. Factor in the 3-year warranty and solid build, and you're getting a lot of premium components for your money. But beware, outfitting it with max RAM and SSD storage to unlock its full potential inflates the price quickly, so it's wise to budget ahead. Before we wrap, here's a final twist. If you think mini PCs are all about compromises, the A9 Max challenges that narrative by packing desktop-class AI power and robust graphics into a footprint smaller than most external GPUs. It's not perfect, but it delivers a unique balance of power, portability, and professional-grade performance that few competitors can match. So, should you buy it? If you need a compact, reliable mini PC for high-end AI applications, professional video editing, and solid gaming performance, the Geekom A9 Max is worth serious consideration. Just be ready for a bit of fan noise, potential software tweaks, and budgeting for upgrades to unleash its full muscle. For the best price and latest deals, check out the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this if it fits your workflow. And here's one last joke to lighten our tech talk. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. Keep your Geekom A9 Max running smooth, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest, in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.